Check out Silver Fox. It's a 1974 XB Falcon GS Coupe valued at $160,000. Have a go at this fully restored XB Falcon. It's got pushing on the road a 351 Cleveland V8 with a mild cam. It's got 4-into-1 extractors on each side with a custom exhaust system on the back. It's got a C10 transmission, 3-speed, push along the road, and it's got a 9-inch differential on the back of it. This thing is sick. Have a go at the interior in this XB. It is sick. It's got factory stock black interior vinyl. It's got new carpets, GS dash, steer steering wheel with power steering. It's got all the bells and whistles. Have a go at the exterior on this puppy. It's got GS vented hood on it. It's got spotlights in the grille. It's painted in metallic silver. It's got orange decal, GS decals along the side of it. It's been lowered. It is sick. It's also got globe style mags on it. It's a sick and beautiful car. If you want this 1974 XB, there's one way to do it, and that is get a package if you want it in your garage. Paddy here from Classics. We proudly support veterans.